Hey beauties, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video on my channel. So I'm back with another ombre type video, but this is like probably 5 colors that I'm using to ombre. I saw this picture on Instagram and I decided that I want to, I'm inspired by it, so I decided to try it out. But I don't know if it was a success or not. If you think it's a success, let me know by liking this video and also chatting with me down below in the comment section. I would love to see that. I tried my hardest to ombre the nails. I don't know if it was a color or if it was me. I don't know. I really don't know. But yes, I won't be talking excessively throughout this video. I hope you guys will enjoy. If you guys are enjoying the content that I'm posting, go ahead and give this a fat like and also comment down below and also subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell to get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week, to ensure that the bell is tapped, because I don't have a designated time to posting. And also follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty Services. That's where that I've posted a very recent video on my my YouTube here. So I'll be using multiple colors in this video. Let me know how I did, because it's still giving me a vibe though. So I mean, I'll just take the L regardless. I tried. I hope you guys do like it. Have yourself a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.